Good morning, friends. Welcome to life-changing event organized by Genius Mind. I am Rupali Kapoor, founder Genius Mind. Will let you know 3-step secret formula to find a right career to have in the next 30 minutes. This video is going to be useful for all, for businessmen, for housewives, for student, entrepreneur, any professionals. Before start, I just want to say that you have to pay full attention, and I guarantee you at the end you will have 3-step secret formula to find a right career. So let's start with the meaning career counseling. As you know, what is career? What is career? Career means to choose a pathway to settle up in your future and earn money. Means आपको एक pathway find out करना है जिसमें आप कुछ money भी earn कर पाए. Now the word counseling. Counseling means to let discuss your plan and having advice from some professionals or expert or a matter expert. So the word career counseling means first you have to choose a career, then you are going to discuss it with some expert. Now the turn, as I am telling you in video, we are going to cover 3-step secret formula. Now the first step is how to find a right career. As you know, in our society, very bad way, or you can say traditional way to choose a career. In that, what we are doing interest as on a least parameter, and first parameter is income, second is demand, third is stream selection, fourth is aptitude, fifth is personality, and the last is interest. This was the way which we are choosing a career, but my dear friends, I want to tell you this is the wrong way. And now what is the right way? Today I am telling you the right way. The right way is first you should have a interest parameter, then aptitude, then personality, the fourth is demand, then income, and the last is stream selection. What I just want to tell you before that you are doing wrong option, but now I am telling you the right way to choose a career. So I want to ask a question. If you are doing the same job for 35 to 40 years, means 1,16,008 hours, in which you don't have an interest, and you are just doing it because somebody is telling you to do that, as your parents, peers, some others are saying ki go for this option, choose this career, and what you will get as a result? My dear friends, you will get only frustration, you will get anxiety, you will get depression. So you have to choose the right career to build up and to find earning from that. Only that you can get happy life. Now this was the first step secret. Now the turn is second step secret. The second step secret is psychometric test. Now the question comes, how we can find our interest, ability, aptitudes, personality. So my dear friends, today is a good news that we are having a psychometric test. Psychometric test is a scientific tool or a method to find one's real talent or a real potential. I just want to tell you, maybe you have observed in your life, some are good listeners, some are good in music, some are good in dancing, some are good in maths. But what we are doing, we are just going through the same exam. I just want to elaborate it with a story. मैं आपको एक स्टोरी से इसको कनेक्ट करना चाहूंगी कि एक बार एक जंगल था. Once there was a jungle and there were number of animals sitting over there. And in this story, there are number of animals are participating to just come out or to just win that championship. And what was the exam? The exam was to climb on a tree. The first turn was fish. As fish was telling to just climb on a tree. But as you know, fish. As fish come out of the water, she will die. So the next turn come is lion. As you know, the lion come with a roaring. So everybody was sure he is going to win that championship. But whenever he just started to climb on a tree, he was not able because he is not. It is not his talent. The third turn was monkey. A monkey was coming and somebody was saying just to climb on a tree. As you know, it is his real talent or a real potential. So he took only a minute to climb on a tree. He became champion. So what is the crux or a moral of this story? What I just want to tell you with this story is everybody has a different potential, but we have to find that real potential. We have to come to know our real talent, real potential. Only by knowing that we can go or we can choose a right pathway or a right career. As I am told you earlier before, if you are doing the things in a wrong manner or you have chosen a wrong career, so you would be getting anxiety, depression, this kind of feelings, gut feelings you are having. But whenever you have gone through the psychometric test assessment and first you realize your talent, only then you can move to the right career options. The third step of secret formula is career counseling done by some career counselor or some professional or some matter expert. Now, you know, in today's era, what we are doing, we are just going on a Google and just writing a keyword career options. There are number of career options Google is going to tell us. But my dear friends, here I just want to tell you one thing. Google is not giving you the right advice because Google is not aware about your real talent, your real command or your real interest. So here the role of counselor begins, career counselor begins. As you know, every celebrity, every person who is good in his profession, who is good in his field, like Amitabh Bachchan, like Sachin Tendulkar, Lata Mangeshkar, they all are master in their fields. And how they are master in their fields? Because they were very well aware about their talent. And they are having a mentor or a coach who tell them or who guide them step by step to go to a right career path, to choose a right career. Once you have chosen a career and if you are not moving it with the right directions, you cannot persist over there. So here the role of counselor begins. And my dear friends, I just want to tell you, you can have a psychometric test assessment and a career counselor. We are there to help. We are there to help you, to support you. So to choose a career is like a game of chess. As you know, you have chosen a wrong move, you have gone through a wrong move, you can lose that game. आप वहीं पर आपने गलत मूव किया और आप वहीं पर शय और मान. My dear friends, वो एक गेम है, वहां पर आप ये गलती को दोबारा सुधार सकते हैं. But once you have chosen a wrong career in your life, throughout the life you have to suffer. So if you want to know more about this, more about career counseling or more about psychometric test, just call us. Call at 9960299699. Go to our website www.rupalitarun.com. Thank you.